Hello, what is your name?
Hi, Daisy Bangnon.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yeah,
Do you have kids?
I have one.
How
boy,
old?
8 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I work here for 2 years and 6 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No,
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2.
2 years.
Yes.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Here in Tolong City.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
650.
How many family members are they?
For
How many children?
2.
How old are they now?
The boy, the first one is 7 years old, and the second one is 1 year and 4 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 in the morning.
And then?
Prepare breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Prepare breakfast and then tidy up things for school for
The kids?
the kids.
Mm-hmm.
And then I clean the house, taking care of baby, cooking.
Mm-hmm. So do you go market?
Yes.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
Around 5,
5 o'clock. So what time they eat?
around 6 p.m.
Okay, so what time you go to sleep?
Around 10.
10 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.